Welcome to
Story Time
I'm Squad with Adeline and Mommy. And we're going to read this book. I'm going to read this book all by myself.
Yeah, she's so proud of it.
And I'm 5 years old. And you don't know what your age.
No, they don't need to know how old Mommy is.
And I'm reading What Can Dogs Do?
I'm going to show them the front page. Here, hold it up like this so that they can see it.
You can find anything different in the answer
Okay.
in both of the pages.
Okay.
This dog can't run.
Can you show them? Good job.
I think people are gonna watch stuff in. This dog can't jump.
Show them. Good job.
This dog can't catch.
I'll show it a little bit closer like this so that they can see. Look at that dog. He's a good dog.
This dog can't sit.
Good job.
This dog can't swim.
Show him a little bit. That's good. Yeah. Maybe somebody has a dog that looks just like that. We have a Riley, don't we?
This dog can't dance.
Now hold it up. Good job.
Do you find anything different in all the pages?
And do you have a dog too? We have a dog. What's his name?
Riley.
Riley. Well, thanks for joining us on Storytime Squad
Squad
with
Adeline and Mommy.
Bye.
Bye.